The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall skilla. But look which part she put for her footy. Calm down. Alright, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla, me there again. So, in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. You, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about these videos that I am presenting to you in this video. So, I just presented to you a video that shows a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Bounty Killer performing on stage somewhere in the world. I do not know where or when the video has been recorded. And the video shows a female who was dancing with Bounty Killer while he was performing on stage. And something happened. There's the video. If you don't see what happened properly in the video before, you can look at the video again. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers. And before I present the next video to you, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a man who made a video some time ago that is circulating on social media. And in the video that the man made some time ago that is circulating on social media, he said some things that gave me the understanding that he expressed his frustration about some things that he said happened in his life. Now, in this video that I'm about to present to you, this man said some things that gave me the understanding that he gave thanks to persons on social media who reach out to him. I'm not going to explain everything that the man said in the video. I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. Alright, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yeah, morning to everybody. Couple days ago, I come on the internet and I post a video kind of a prayer name thing, you see me? And a bag of people reach out to me and I'm not lie, I'm happy, you see me? So yeah, that video I've been telling you a big thanks, you see me, for everybody who reach out, you see me? And you know, for yourself, when I go see the progress, you see me? When I see the progress of everything, you see me? So thanks to everybody who reach out, whether by prayer, financially, emotionally, every alley, you see me? Really respect the strength, man. You see me? So yeah, a whole heap of manners and respect, man, you see me? To everybody who reach out to me, man. Bless up, man, you see me? And as I say, you can look out for great things, you see me? I mean name cornerstone boss. The stone the builder refused on the head cornerstone. Me this. You see me? So yeah, man. Everybody really appreciate it very much. So look out for great things and thank you a lot. I really appreciate it, man. Bless up.
So I got information that some persons who saw the video on social media when he was expressing his frustration about some things that happened in his life donated to that man. And I saw a video that shows the same man, and in the video the man shows some things that he had done with the donations that he got from some persons, and he thanked those persons who donated to him. So I just make you know what I go on. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is circulating on social media where it is said that the government of Jamaica had imported armored vehicles. Some persons also called those armored vehicles military vehicles. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this video. Tell me if you believe the government of Jamaica had imported armored vehicles, or if the government of Jamaica did not imported any armored vehicles or military vehicles. Let me know what you think. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Fresh off of the boat. You know, if I bullet there, that's something up there, sir. Jamaica, that is daddy. Look on this now. Yeah, man. Fully strapped, daddy. This is normal. When you go on boss, you don't fight against the man locked down, yeah? Yeah, man. Go on.
Well, my people, I have no confirmed information that the government of Jamaica really and truly imported armored vehicles or military vehicles within the country of Jamaica. I don't know. I'm just going by the things that have been said on social media about that video that I just presented to you. According to some comments that I saw or read on social media, I got the understanding that some persons are saying that look how much people in the country of Jamaica need help financially, and yet still the government of Jamaica find money to go buy military vehicles or armored vehicles. You see it? So people, let me know what you think, yeah? Just to make you know what I want, and I'm going to move on to another video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, for some reason people are talking about this video on social media. This video is going to show a man, and in the video, the man responded to some things that at least two persons said about him on social media. Viewers and subscribers, this man used some harsh language in this video that I'm about to present to you. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
All about Derek, no. Let me tell you someone on TikTok where all that bring me and like you know want disrespect me and ask how I get phone from. And service, let me tell you now where I get the service from now. And how me mix up. And I kind of something, let me tell you now. The woman who talk about mix up, I want put her in some blood clot blender. I want mix her up and speed her up in the blood clot. Yes. Cause me know where she talk about me and mix up with what? Me know I come talk about mix up. This dirty thinking woman. Don't call my name in a drunk room. And the next woman now where she could talk about so I get service from. My service, she talk about service. Give me the service. I red ear them on her front. I white ear them on her front. Her front I grew up in a blood class. She talk about I get service from her. Ear on her front. Give me service. Let me say service. Service. No blood clot phone. My piece of old phone you have to talk about. And we are going to piece of bank ugly phone. We are giving me trouble. You trouble your mouth, woman. Woman with a long one lizard face. Woman with the wissy body. Woman with the elephant body. Go away now. When a blood clot, go away drum crow. Drum crow, go away now. Crow a bit, go away now. Woman, live her for me now. The world only love her for me. Love me, make me prosper. Love, make me prosper. Just suck out the blood out of my body. No suck out the blood out of me blood clot body, junk people. Don't suck out me body.
On a real, I wonder if that man was joking, viewers and subscribers. You know, I wonder if he was joking. See, and any everything you hear people say on social media, if you really and truly believe or take too serious. Because some of the times, some of those persons, they are just joking. See, even if they might talk about you, you know, some of the times if you just ignore it, don't even pay it any attention because they might not mean nothing by it. You see me I say? Alright, so let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. Alright? And I have one more video I'm going to present to you. Now, according to some things that I saw and heard in this video that I'm about to present to you, I got the understanding that this video shows what happened when someone asked someone for shoes polish. In my point of view, it seems as if the man was bothering the man for the shoes polish. And there seems to be a reason why the man never wanted to lend the man the shoes polish. The man went inside that building for something, and whatsoever he came out with, it caused the man who wanted to borrow the shoes polish from him to run from him. Viewer and subscribers, let me know what you think about this video, and viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Don't run.
Wait! Go on!
Stop, let me polish my shoes on my youth for God's word now.
You're done one! And come back from done that. But chunk your big pussy mama!
Well, come let me hear at least one somebody said, don't run, don't run. Don't run. You think some of that time there and see somebody come out with something in their hand will look like some farmer tool or weapon that not look like shoes polish. But people, me I take on myself if I me too. Saying, let me know what I think about that video that I just presented to you. Let me know what I think about all the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.